rebutting reports that China's AI startup DeepSeek is using smuggled Blackwell chips. They are considered NVIDIA's most advanced AI chips. That was a report in The Information. NVIDIA shares falling today, now down almost 8% over the last month. Let's get a reaction from Fast Money friend Gene Munster, managing partner at Deepwater Asset Management. We will get into NVIDIA and all of that, Gene, but I got to ask you about Oracle, which is down 10% here. I don't know if you want to speak specifically about the Oracle story or how the market reaction to the Oracle story informs you about where the market and how the market is thinking about the AI trade.
I mean, that's the key takeaway, I think, for most investors on this Oracle news is Oracle had, I would say, inline-ish results. The guidance was really solid. The backlog increased $68 billion sequentially from the previous quarter. They had that big jump up to the 455. Now we're 60 billion plus on top of that. And yet you have a stock down 10%. You have the first two questions on the call were about how much capital they have to raise to fund this growth and when what's the exact timing about when margins on their cloud business are going to get to this 30 to 40%. Is it years away? Is it 2? Is it 5 years? And I think what it just ultimately speaks to is this funk that the AI trade is in. And we've been kind of going through this for the past, since really October 30th, after the mega caps had reported. It is, I would describe it as investors, AI investors are almost exhausted from good news. And as we get incremental positive data points, I think Oracle, even though I'm neutral on the stock, I think that what they showed tonight is positive for the broader AI trade. Investors are just shrugging it off, and not just like mildly shrugging it off. Oracle is down. The stock is lower than what it was before they even gave that big update 3 months ago. And I think it just really captures down 13% in the past month, and NASDAQ's up 1%. So we're just in a funk right now. And the question that I'm asking is, what's the timing of when we're going to get out of that? What are the catalysts that are going to get investors more excited about believing that we're still early in AI?
Gene, it's Karen. Thanks for being on. How do you think about trying to value Oracle? They've got this big ramp, but you got to discount that somewhat. And it's not seemingly inexpensive on the surface. So how do you think about it?
Well, again, I'm generally neutral on this, and part of it is because you not only have this big ramp, but you have these expectations that they have these high expectations out there. And so in some ways, when I think about valuation, I think the multiple piece is one of the more complicated parts to it. So effectively, if they don't get to this big ramp of the 500 billion plus in backlog. If they don't get there over the next few years, then that's negative for the multiple. You're going to get some compression. And so I'm at a spot right now where I see this more as a value trap. And I think of this as, what are your better alternatives out there? I think I look at it in the context of where Google is trading or where Meta's trading, for example, as better alternatives.